Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to thank you so much for the continuous suggestions, phone calls, and support. This week we have a great vlog for you. Me and Mr. Bernard decided to travel out to Westmoreland and link up with some of the farmers out there because we haven't been on that side of the island in a very good time. So I think we're pushing the initiative of 100 breeding female to all our farmers, and I think out west was a blessing for us. As we went and we saw multiplication on spot. About 6 kids from 3 mothers. However, my vlog was to talk about cattle farming in the western region of the island, and so we had a small tour with a young farmer. Watch us as we travel.
From cattle with Mr. Brown. What is your name again?
Mr. Haye.
Mr. Haye. Mr. Haye is supposed to be on video now.
Yes, man. Bless up, Mr. Haye. Tell us what you're doing here.
Well, cattle farming, beef cattle farming. As you can see, we have a dry time around here, so the cows have to be in the morass, The fresh green grass.
So what about the water and them? How you manage that? Because that one like you swim a swim.
Swimming at the morass.
Swim a swim.
I'm strong, man. So,
Help build up your muscle them.
yeah.
So them not sink and drown or anything like that.
I'm strong, man.
So them drink the water in the morass too.
Keep them cool. So how much land you're working with?
Well, 54 acres.
Wow.
Yeah, man, 54 acres.
Mr. Brown, what kind of grass is that they're eating? What that look like?
Which one?
John grass.
Over there.
John grass them call it.
Yeah, man.
A water, it's really water, like water reeds.
So they eat that grass there?
Yeah, they eat it. But what I like to say, him have a lot of lagwood.
Yes.
Lagwood now is a high protein. Like they feed it a lot, especially in Colombia.
High lagwood.
This one.
One of the mockers on it.
Feature this is the one that have the mac on it, lagwood.
Oh.
It make good fence post,
Yes.
good animal feed, and it do good honey.
Yeah, man.
Cause lagwood honey is a very expensive thing in Jamaica.
Yes, the lagwood honey. I hear about that all the time.
Yeah, man, the lagwood honey, man.
Feed along
Don't
with
run
the
here, look so.
Oh, you feed here.
You did what?
I feed them, And the cow them, I trample down everything.
Yeah, man.
Does the cow level this down like this?
Yeah, man.
And what kind of breed cow you really have? Like,
Alright, mostly red pole and black pole.
oh, nice. Beef animal them.
Yeah, beef cattle.
Which one you like? The red pole or the beef, the black pole? What you see the difference? Is there any difference between the two? People ask me that all the time.
Alright, you see the red pole and the black pole, they're basically similar to the meat production, but it's not the Brahman are more lighter.
Yeah.
I don't really like the Brahman. The
So,
Brahman,
so in terms of feeding and, because people always saying black pole, red pole,
Alright.
I can ask you if you see any difference. Any difference?
not necessarily, only,
Same
only
weight
color.
gain.
Or it's only color.
Really does
Yeah,
color.
yeah, but I can differentiate between the Brahman. I can tell you that the Brahman, the body don't develop as quickly. Meat wise, like the red pole and the black
But
pole.
them tougher though, the Brahma them tougher.
In a sense, and they're more lively.
Okay.
They're more lively.
Yeah, them aggressive really, man.
Aggressive. The black pole and the red pole are more labor.
Right,
Yeah, calmer cattle.
right. But what about the stealing now? You don't have any predator loss problem around here?
No, sir, not necessarily.
And if you get the animals, them tag now with the other.
Yeah, that's the next step.
Yeah, you need to.
Yeah, that's
Because
the,
they don't charge you to do it,
yeah, that's the next step, man. So they were supposed to come, but a little delay happened and they didn't get back to me. But
How much head of cattle you have?
at the moment, 46 at the moment.
Nice.
46,
That's
a
good.
nice little herd you
It's a
have,
nice
man.
investment
You mean 46 female?
46 overall.
overall.
Okay,
Yeah.
but how much female you have in it?
That's it, about 30.
That's
Yeah.
good. So you can reproduce quickly.
Yeah, man.
And you don't have to buy feed, you just feeding
Yeah.
at the bush all day.
The drought now we bring them eat in the morass,
Yeah.
Look at the grass, man, nice grass.
I didn't, I'm going to tell you the truth, I didn't know that cattle eat that grass.
Yeah, man.
I see it all the time and I didn't know that.
It
they
have a lot
actually
of other different grasses inside of it if you look.
Yeah,
Right,
and
that
it's
is
a fish in
true.
it, so.
It might
Mhm.
even
Yeah,
look like, well, no, not thin grass, but
Yeah, man.
Good.
Yeah, man.
there are other grasses in there.
What the main
It's quite a variety of feedings inside there.
whisk.
Yeah, man.
They eat the lagwood too,
And they eat the lagwood. Yeah, man. They
Like I
might
said
eat
earlier,
it. High
They eat
protein.
the lagwood.
High protein shrub.
Yeah, man.
So these animals are living good life.
Yeah, they alright, man.
Comfortably like them natural habitat.
Natural habitat,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
It's really, really good. Can you imagine what a goat would do with this?
Not probably drown in the water though.
Goat don't like the water.
They like the
Yes,
Try one
yes.
time to goat them, but not so lucky with them, man.
Mind that lane, right with the mud.
Probably never have a proper facility to
Yes,
accommodate
you
them.
need a facility for goat rearing and thing. But you know, we were just Brown and I, talk about it all the time.
Yeah.
You know that goat there's more money on goat than cattle.
Yeah?
Yes, there is. Because goat is like $400, $500 a pound.
Mm-hmm.
What is cattle?
Really.
120,
120,
140.
120 a pound, right? And if you look at even to handle the goat, they are easier to handle,
Yeah.
but it takes a lot more skills to manage them.
Yeah, it's a little bit more technical.
Very technical. Goat rearing is very technical.
Yes, you know, housing and
Nothing like
not
that.
worry about that.
Rain
Not
and-
really worry about
Mhm.
the flies and the ticks.
Yes,
You know?
that's a big problem for
We have to
cattle.
deworm them, you know?
Mhm.
We have to follow
How
up
often you deworm them? What would
Like-
you say?
like 28 days. Every 28 days.
You are deworming that often?
Yeah.
That's a bit too much.
That is too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, too
that's
much.
Bad.
That's too much.
That is bad.
We have to go
Very,
talk
very
about that. We
We
talk
have to
about a
talk
proper program.
bad. You have to get on a proper program. That is bad. Moving towards trying not to deworm at all. That is supposed to be an end game.
Okay.
You should not be deworming any at all.
Okay.
Even though you do have to use medications from time to time.
And are these animals vaccinated?
Yes, man.
Okay, good.
Yes, man. From a tender age.
You get them vaccinated.
Yeah, man.
Perfect.
Yeah, man.
Perfect.
So where you get this idea about deworming every 28 days?
Well, we come up with the idea.
Okay, okay. Understand. Understand.
We
Yeah, man.
understand. Yeah, man. We hear that all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a bad idea. And
Alright.
what do you? Why do you deworm? Why you used to be deworming
Well,
animals?
you know, to prevent the larvae and worms. And,
The internal parasites,
Internal,
right?
yeah, and to
But
keep
you
them-
are just doing it every 28 days because you think that's what you should be doing.
yeah.
Right, it's wrong.
Yeah.
Totally
Well,
wrong.
that's the reason why you guys are
Yes,
Yes.
man. We have to
Yeah.
make sure you think different
Never
and
too
it
big
can
to
go.
learn.
Yeah, man.
And I
So you,
appreciate it.
so Khalil will put you on a program
Yeah,
that you
man.
shouldn't even be doing this deworming.
All right.
Right, you have to be able to inspect the animals and look at it and know when you need.
When is
deworm
really too
Yeah.
time to deworm.
and when it's time to deworm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You know me that try think about because me never really try make them get any like the bug feeding or anything.
Oh.
You don't need to do that here.
Well, you should, but I'm just saying, you can't leave out the hypergrains. But I get,
Some go.
I'll recommend say you use your bag feed in certain periods.
Yeah.
So if you're pregnant,
Yeah.
you know that last 3 months of
Yeah.
pregnancy for your animals them,
Yeah.
I'll want you use bag feed. Then to ensure that you get good calving and good weight of your calf.
Yeah.
If them lactating, I'll want you run bag feed throughout that little period. But then after that, you can really just allow them to graze. But just the stages of production.
So the camera and that young heifer coming out there. Very beautiful.
Oh, she born here. Nice heifer.
Yeah, man. Beautiful animal. And I want to tell you that this animal. Sound like you don't need it.
No, man, me not like Mr. Bernard and you don't need green thing,
But your home would have been now, with the bulls them.
Yeah, it's like for your feed lot.
One of the things is that when you run animals through your field like this, the cows naturally cut down the forage. If you see what they do here now, they take the hoof and they trample this grass, which they are re-nutrition, putting back the nutrition in the soil. They
Yeah,
are trampling the grass, pushing it down. They are also replanting.
basically.
They are replanting and they are taking care of the soil. This is taking care of the soil in a natural
In a
way.
natural way.
Yes, and plus they're bushing the place and keeping the place looking nice. So this is very important. People, all of this that you see here is the cattle mow it down like
Level it down.
level it down.
Cattle rearing has always played an important role in the Jamaican livestock sector, and I'm glad to see the youths taking it up and taking it to a larger scale. Cattle is also very important when we think about protein feed security for our country. So hail the cattle farmers, you'll be seeing more.